In this video, I'll show you how to check where Capcut save your video files. First of all, after you open the Capcut like this, now minimize the Capcut. Go to your this PC, go to your C drive, go to users, then open the user. So now click on this three dot, go to option, go to view, go to show hidden files and folder, go to OK. So now click on this app data, go to local, scroll to down and open Capcut, and then go to user data, scroll to down and go to project. So here is project folder. So open this folder com.editor.dapt. So here are all your video files that Capcut saved for you. These are all different projects that you are currently working on. So you can go ahead and open the project that you want to see. And that's it, guys. If this video helps you out, please like and subscribe.